Hello everyone and welcome to another review on the Product Lab. My name is Jordan and here we have the JBL Charge 5. And it's one of JBL's latest speakers and it comes with a compact design that's easy to carry around. It also offers surprising sound quality for the size, good battery life, and a solid wireless connection for around $180. But how does it compare to other highly rated options in this price range? And after you get it, what should you be expecting from daily use? The JBL Charge 5 is easy to use and offers an intuitive setup process. You can quickly and easily pair the speaker to your phone or tablet by pressing the integrated Bluetooth button and selecting it from the list of available devices. Or you can connect it to compatible JBL speakers via the JBL Portable Companion app. It also has an intuitive control layout on the top that allows you to control the power, volume, Bluetooth pairing, activate the party boost function, and skip tracks. But it lacks the ability to skip backwards. It comes in a compact cylindrical design that only weighs around 2 pounds and can easily fit into a bag or backpack for better portability. And it features passive bass radiators at the ends to enhance low-end frequencies. The speaker is wrapped in a durable mesh fabric that provides an impressive IP67 water resistance rating, so you can safely use it poolside or at the beach. It also has rubberized feet on each end for added stability and impact resistance, but the ends are kind of angled and it tends to lean when it's placed upright. But on the bright side, you can get it on a range of colors depending on your preference. The speakers support Bluetooth 5.1 protocols, which is pretty solid considering the sub $200 price, and it provides a more stable and efficient wireless connection than previous models, but it lacks a 3.5mm jack for older devices. It also offers Bluetooth multi-point pairing functionality to connect with multiple audio sources simultaneously and seamlessly switch between them. If you want a portable Bluetooth speaker that offers similar functionality and can connect older devices, the JBL Charge 4 is cheaper and offers an aux in port, but it doesn't sound as good and has a weaker wireless connection. I think the battery performance is another strength of this price point. It's rated to deliver up to 20 hours of continuous playtime on a single charge depending on your usage habits, which is longer than many premium models. Unfortunately, it takes around 4 hours to fully charge and lacks a fast charging function like some competitors in this range, but the battery doesn't need to be charged frequently and it should withstand most long listening sessions. It also offers power bank functionality and comes with USB-C and USB-A ports to accommodate a range of options so you can conveniently top up your other devices as needed. On the inside, the speaker utilizes a single high-quality 20mm 10-watt tweeter and 90mm 30-watt woofer to deliver surprisingly powerful audio considering its compact size, which makes it suitable for larger spaces or outdoor gatherings. While I would have preferred to see a stereo speaker array, it still produces a clear and reasonably balanced sound with plenty of low end for bass-heavy genres, bright and punchy treble for vocals and lead instruments, and a solid mid-range response to round out your audio and add some texture. While it does occasionally produce compression artifacts at higher volumes, the overall sound remains controlled and the digital signal processing doesn't thin out the bass too much. The speaker is also compatible with the JBL Portable Companion app, which allows you to enable the party boost function to connect additional speakers, control the audio feedback sounds, and download firmware updates, but it lacks an adjustable EQ. It also doesn't have a built-in microphone to take calls or voice assistant support like other options in this range. So if you prefer a Bluetooth speaker with more modern features, the Sonos Roam offers Wi-Fi connectivity and adjustable EQ, and you can control the smart home devices, but it's more expensive and the battery doesn't last as long. All things considered, the JBL Charge 5 is a quality portable Bluetooth speaker that offers solid overall audio performance at a reasonable price. With its surprisingly powerful volume output, long-lasting battery, reliable wireless connection, and impressive sound quality, it's not hard to see why it's such a highly regarded option in the sub $200 range. Is it the perfect option for all users? Not quite. The JBL Charge 4 offers similar functionality for a bit cheaper, and it can connect to legacy devices, while the high-end Sonos Roam can allow you to customize your sound and control your other systems with voice commands. However, the JBL Charge 5 is a great mid-range option that's designed to be used on the go without sacrificing sound quality. I would recommend this if you're looking for a solid Bluetooth speaker for under $200. But that's just my opinion. Let me know your guys' opinions in the comments. For links to updated pricings on all the items mentioned, check out the description. If you guys learned something or find the video helpful, give it the video a like and subscribe to the channel if you like short, informative tech videos. But until next time, I'll see you guys later.